Here we are, kind of standing by the fire this morning, trying to get some work done. This is what's coming at us.
So
We're the little blue dot.
So this is what we did.
So shall I tell them what we did?
We put up a tent over our plumbing area so we could work. We've been getting rained out day after day after day. So
and today is 22 days till we're homeless, so we really got to get this done.
Absolutely. So hopefully this will work.
Hopefully it'll keep us dry.
Yeah, keep us dry while we're working underneath the tent.
Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and hopefully we'll get this thing done. Hey everyone, this is Martin. Shelly's behind the camera. Say hi.
Hi.
And we are putting in the drain plumbing, or the plumbing that goes to the septic for our cabin here today. And we are in a muddy mess down here. It rained all day yesterday, and I knew it was going to be muddy, and it really is. I mean, I'm standing in water and mud, and that's just the way it is. So the first step is to use cleaner, where all the joints are going to go together. You probably already knew that, because this stuff is pretty common to use anymore. But nevertheless, start with cleaner. Do all of the joints that you're going to glue. So this is going to ultimately have the toilet flange sitting on top of that. That'll be flush with the concrete. This will head off to the shower. In the meantime, right about in here, it'll go over to the kitchen sink and washing machine. This is the main one to get in the ground, and this is going to be the most difficult one to get positioned correctly. We've got some of the beginning of the plumbing septic tank line put in, or that goes to the septic tank. So right now we've got a clean out here. That will have a toilet flange on it, flush with the cement floor, and then the septic tank is going to be down that way a ways. But we're pretty close.
And this is where the toilet is.